Hello students, class 9th. This is your poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree. This poem has been written by William Butler Yeats. Children, there is an important aspect in our life, and that is a moment of peace. You might have heard elders whenever they come after their office or from their work. What do they say? Please leave me alone for some time. I want to spend some moments in peace. Whenever it comes to children, whenever our examinations are over, what do we expect our parents? That dad and mom, please don't expect us to study for 2 to 3 days. We want some peaceful moments. So in our life as human beings, this is an important aspect in our life, and that important aspect is peace. These are the moments which we think of spending with ourselves. So in this poem also, the poet, he wants to explore a place, that is the Lake Isle of Innisfree, for peace. He is longing for peace and tranquility of Innisfree. Why he wants to go to that place? Because he also wants few moments to spend in peace with himself. He wants to explore the place, he wants to explore the life, he wants to enjoy the peaceful moments of that place, and that is why, taking a break from his busy and occupied life, he would like to go to a place, that is the Lake Isle of Innisfree. In the first statement, what does he do? He wishes to go. Where does he wish to go? He wishes to go to Innisfree. Why? To lead a life full of peace and solitude, away from the fast-paced life that is surrounded by lights and noises. What does he want to do there? What is he going to do over there? He will build a small cabin. He'll go grow beans over there and have a beehive for honeybees in Innisfree. And over there, with these animals, he would not like to have so many animals and pets. The only thing he would like to have a beehive. Okay, he does not even want a good kitchen garden, but he would just sow the bean seeds in 9 rows. Okay, and what does the poet wish to build with? He wishes to build a small cottage with clay and wattles. Okay, now what is the meaning of wattles? Wattles are the twisted sticks for making fences and walls. What and where is Innisfree? Perhaps, according to the poem, it is an imaginary place which is quite natural and full of beauty. In the second stanza, he wishes that over there he will be having some sort of peace. What will I get there? Now who is this I? The poet wishes to get some peace and solitude in Innisfree. Now what will be the evening giving to the poet? The evenings in Innisfree would be filled by the flight of many small birds or the linnets, and he wishes to enjoy the nature in its purest form. Why does the poet want to live there alone? He wants to live alone over there because he does not like any kind of disturbance but only peace. And what does the morning will give, and what does the poet experience in the morning? What are you going to say? What do you can expect out that the mornings are going to give him? So it will give them peace that comes dropping from the veils of the morning, the upcoming morning, the things that come with the morning. A spiritual peace, moonlight reflected by the lake water that is surrounding the isle. Okay, and these things will be over there.